Welcome back, Team UBJ. It's Antonio, and we've got something new for you. We're bringing you 5 everyday belly button rings. These are really nice because all of these are gonna be titanium, something that's gonna look really good no matter what you pair it with. For the first one, we're gonna go with the classic titanium. This is something that's simple, it's plain, it's something that we know every single day. This is gonna look good no matter what. We've got a couple more CZ gems. If you're looking to spruce it up a little bit more, these have some sheen, some shine to it. It's really nice, these are pretty. This one's gonna be a gold plated titanium. This one's gonna be your natural. Got another CZ gem here. This one's simple, really nice little pop of shine in there, little gem going on. It's really pretty. And honestly, this one, I don't have a belly button ring, but if I did, it would definitely be this one. I love the stone, the tiger's eye. Just that color, that brown looks really nice. It's definitely gonna go good with any color that you're wearing. And if you like the stone, that natural stone, check out the site. We've got way more than just this one. So in all, these are gonna be our 5 belly button rings that look good no matter what. So with that nice weather, show these off. Check out our site and hit us up. We'll see you guys in the next one.